Hi again, YouTubers. So today I am doing a Tip Tuesday video, but I'm changing it up a little bit. I'm going to be doing a Try It Out Tuesday video. And the new product I'm going to be trying out today is from Color Science. It is their Refresh and Renew set. It is limited edition, and it comes with these 4 items in this cute little bag here. And so I'm just going to take it apart and show it to you guys. So this just simply slides off. It's in this cute little bag, has a handle to it. And it's actually kind of like a rubbery type packaging. Opens up really nice. It has all 4 items kind of in a little packaging in here. It has the eye, the hydrating mist, the lip, and then also the little palette. And so I'm going to start with the first thing. And the first thing is the Color Science Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy with broad spectrum SPF 35 in it. Now this you guys may have seen in videos before. I talked about this all summer. And I don't know how I forgot about it, quite honestly. I think when I got the Touch of Pearl, I forgot about it. And when I got this one in, I was like, oh, I need to use that again. And ever since then, I have gone back to using this. So that being said, this one is still in the packaging and still has the seal on it. I am using the one that I already had from this summer, so I'll put this one back in the packaging. But this little item here is so cool, and it's lasted me. I use this every day all summer long, so that's pretty impressive. It has a little pump to it. First, it has the metal applicator, which helps to cool under your eyes. But you push on the back right here, and the product comes up, and you actually just take it and you rub it under the eyes and work it in under the eyes. Now, first of all, it has SPF 35 in it, which is really great. It has this peach tone to it, which the peach tone helps to correct any dark circles. So if you think about it on a color wheel, purple is on one side, orange is on the other. So opposite colors actually cancel each other out. So the peach tone on this immediately corrects any dark circles, and it's not something that's going to correct them long term, but it immediately corrects it. So when you put your other eye products on, it really has already corrected that purple and gives you a really nice brightness under your eyes. So not only does it correct dark circles, but it is also a skincare item, so it helps to correct any fine lines, any wrinkles, any puffiness under the eyes, because it has those skincare properties in it as well. I will say, of all the items I have tried from Color Science over the, I'd say, last 3 years that I've tried them, this is probably my favorite item I've tried from them. It is one that every time I go back to it, I forget why I stopped using it. So I'm really glad that I got this set and it reminded me to keep using this again, because ever since then I've used this and not my Tatcha. So that is pretty impressive. Then the package also comes with this little hydrating mist. The hydrating mist is so nice. You just shake it up. It has a really good size pump to it. It's not one of those little teeny ones. It actually, I'll spray it here, is a super, super, super fine mist. It doesn't do that. I have one right back here that is from Cinema Secrets, and it's like too heavy of a mist and it kind of gets like blotchy. This is a really nice fine mist. It helps to set your makeup. And it is just gives you that extra hydration in your skin, especially now in the winter time. That's super important. So I really do like this. And it's actually, for me, this is going to be my one that I take with me when I go places because it's the perfect size for traveling. Then the next thing is the Color Science Lip Shine. This also has your broad spectrum SPF 35 in it. This is what I have on my lips right now. So when I saw this, I was like, nope, no. Will not work on me. It just won't. This color is just too bright, too dark. Things like this never work on me. And then I watched LisaSz09 has a video on this same whole set, and I watched her video about it, and I noticed when she used it that it's more of like a lip sheer. It's very, very sheer, and it builds up, but it also kind of stains your lips, has a doe foot applicator, and it actually is not intimidating at all. And again, since I got this and tried using it, I've really been liking it, because this time of year, I tend to want to grab for like more lip balms than lipsticks. So the fact that I can put this on first, and I put it on and I let it sit for a minute, and then I blot it off real quick, and then I can put on a lip balm or something like that. And I'll tell you, I was drinking my cup of tea after I put this on, and it doesn't transfer. So for me, it really works as a stain, but it has this like pepperminty scent. It's so nice. It stayed on beautifully every time I put it on, and it's not drying like a lip stain or a lip tint that really like dries your lips out. So I'm actually really impressed with this. It is a holiday exclusive color just to this set. So that's the only downside, because I really wish I could get it afterwards because I'm kind of liking it that much. And this size, I feel like I'm going to go through pretty quickly. And as you see on my lips, like, it tones down a nice little bit. I actually have a gloss on afterwards today, but it actually goes on really nice and it's easy to apply something afterwards. So you can make it darker by adding another coat of it, or you can make it lighter like I did by putting a gloss on over it. So the last item in the set is actually something that is called the Eye and Brow Palette. It doesn't have any specific color. It's just called the Eye and Brow Palette. You can tell I am now using this a good amount. This is what it looks like. This look, you guys have asked me so many times on Instagram what I have on my eyes when I've been wearing this, and this is it. And I will tell you too, another thing is I have been using this color right in the middle here on my brows, and I have been loving it. I wet the brush a little bit with that hydrating mist, and I use this, and it's just the perfect color for my skin tone, for my hair color, and for my brows. It's just gorgeous. So today, actually, I'll tell you what I have on. I have this one on my crease, and I'll put a clip in here of how I'm using it. I have this on my crease, and I just blend it out. And then I have on this cream colored one, the second one in, not the first one. This one is more matte. This one has a nice little sheen to it. I have this on my brow bone. Then I take this more taupey shade here. It's like a pinky taupe, and I put that on my lid. Then I wet a brush with this one, with that hydration mist again, and I use that to line my eyes. And I have been really enjoying this. I'll tell you, I have not switched my palettes up much, but when I have 3 palettes right now that just are blowing me away and really can work so many different ways and so easily. So I really like this. It's really nice, well pigmented. There is no fallout on this, guys. Like when I use this one and I'm wetting a brush, typically any brand I use, when I do that, there's fallout under my eyes. There's none with this. I'm really impressed with that. They're really, really tightly packed too. Like it's not loose when you're touching it down. The brush that comes with it is just okay. I won't use it. I have other brushes I prefer. I'm really impressed with that. So this whole set here is a really great option for a holiday gift. Keep in mind, it's limited edition, and it is $145 in value for $125. Now, some of you might be saying, well, that's not that great of a deal. It's only $20 off. But they did also give me an offer code for you guys, which will be right down here. It is Refresh LSZ, I think it is. What you get with that is a free deluxe size bronzing perfector, which I think would work perfectly with this set. And like I mentioned, whether it's for yourself or you're going to give it to someone else, getting that extra bronzer with it makes it worth it even more than the $125 cost for $145 in value. So I really enjoyed trying these products out today. I will say this one is game-changing, guys, and this little eye palette I love. Actually, I love everything. The only thing that I wasn't like, oh my gosh, there's nothing like this I have is the hydration mist, and I just feel like it's a great bonus, but I feel like I have other ones. This, I wish came in a full size. It is a great, great color. I was totally shocked by that. That was my one shocking item in this set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love if you went down below and clicked that little red button. If you guys like seeing, I know you guys have already liked the Tip Tuesdays. If you like seeing maybe more of this type of thing as well, try it out Tuesdays, let me know. Maybe we'll do like an every other one, or just as I get things in, we'll see. So as always, guys, if you have any questions on anything you saw here, please put a comment down below. I love chatting back and forth with you guys down there. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.